Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download common crawl samples for NLP training, detailed guide step by step clearly. To download common crawl samples for NLP training, start by navigating to the Common Crawl website. Locate the Data section on the home page. Select the Data Archive link to access the various datasets available. Scroll through the list of datasets to find the specific crawl you are interested in. Each dataset is organized by date, so choose a crawl from the relevant month and year. Once you find your desired dataset, click the link to view the details. On the dataset page, look for the file structure information. Common crawl data is stored in WARC format, which is suitable for web archival data. Next, you'll need to determine the specific files you would like to download. You can utilize a tool like Get or curl to download the files effectively. Open your command line interface, either terminal or command prompt. If using Get, construct a command using the format get file_URL. Replace file_URL with the direct link to the file you want to download. If you prefer curl, your command will be curl file_URL. Again, substitute file_URL with the appropriate file link. Run the command to start the download process. Depending on the size of the file, this may take some time. Once the download is complete, you should see the file in your local directory. To process the data for NLP, you must convert WARC files into a usable format. Consider using libraries such as Warshio and Python to read WARC files. Install the library using pip with the command pip install Warshio. Write a Python script to extract the content from the WARC files. Load the necessary libraries in your script. Use the Warshio package to iterate through the records in the WARC file. Extract the text content for NLP training from the HTTP responses. Save the clean text into a new file in a suitable format, such as CSV or TXT. Once the data is prepared, it's ready for training your NLP models. Regularly check the Common Crawl website for updates on new datasets. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.